Good morning, students. Here I am your math teacher, Miss Jolie, and today we will learn our new topic, parallel lines. Okay, so open your books, chapter number 12 and page number 170. Okay, yeah. Please keep your mic mute कर लीजिए अपने mic mute कर लीजिए. When I'm asking the question, then you will unmute your mics. Okay. So our chapter number 12 is parallel lines. Shivam Sharma, mute your mic. Okay. Chapter number 12, parallel lines. Okay. Let us draw two straight lines AB and CD as shown in the figure. First, we find that these lines when produced towards the left meet at a point O. First of all, we will learn about parallel lines. What is parallel lines? Parallel means समानांतर रेखाएं. Parallel means समानांतर रेखाएं. Okay? तो समानांतर रेखाएं जो होते हैं वो क्या करते हैं, एक दूसरे के पैरेलल पोजीशन में होते हैं. पैरेलल में समानांतर पोजीशन में होते हैं, यानी एक दूसरे के आमने सामने से आती हैं ये लाइंस. ओके, तो एज दे सेड, लेट अस ड्रॉ टू स्ट्रेट लाइंस ए बी एंड सी डी as shown in the figure. First, we find that these lines when produced towards the left meet at a point O. टू लाइंस है हमारे पास ए बी एंड सी डी. ओके, तो we find that these lines when we produce these lines, they meet up at a point O. Okay, and same with this RS and PQ, they meet up at the point O M. Okay, again let us draw a straight line PQ and RS and shown in the figure. Second, these lines when produced towards the right meet at a point M. Okay, however, there are examples of lines which when produced indefinitely in either direction do not meet. Such lines are known as parallel lines. अभी हमने जो ये फिगर देखा, इसमें क्या हो रहा था, जब हमने बोथ लाइंस को प्रोड्यूस किया तो ये वाला जो आपका फर्स्ट फिगर में था, दीज लाइंस आर मीट एट द पॉइंट O, एंड सेकेंड फिगर में दीज लाइंस मीट एट द पॉइंट M. बट our parallel lines have the quality they never meet any point. Okay, parallel lines have the quality they never meet any point. So in geometry, parallel lines are lines in a plane. Parallel lines are the lines in a plane. Plane means क्या होता है, समतल. कोई भी प्लेन स्पेस है, समतल स्पेस है, then वहां पर जो लाइन आप ड्रॉ करेंगे, that's called the parallel lines. Okay, do not meet. The quality of these lines is they do not meet. Okay, two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point are said to be parallel. What, in my words, two straight lines, अगर हम दो straight lines ड्रॉ करते हैं which do not intersect each other, they are called parallel lines. Okay, the page of our book is a plane. Okay, and we draw two lines, 1 and 2, but they do not intersect each other. It means they are parallel lines. Okay, now Shivam Sharma, unmute your mic and explain me what is the parallel line. What is the parallel line? Yes, Pita, explain it. What is the parallel line? Simple. the two straight lines, बोलिए, the two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point, they are said to be parallel lines. Okay, Kamalesh, now you will explain. Unmute your mic first. What is a parallel line? It's very simple, no? Parallel lines are lines in a plane which do not meet or intersect each other. Repeat my definition. Parallel lines are lines in a plane which do not meet or intersect. And intersect. If you understand completely this definition, तो it's very simple. अगर हम इसको हिंदी में बोलना चाहें तो क्या बोल सकते हैं? जब हम दो रेखाएं खींचते हैं, दो हमने ऐसी रेखाएं खींची जो किसी भी पॉइंट पर एक दूसरे को ना काट रही हैं ना मिल रही हैं, तो वो क्या कहलाती है? पैरेलल लाइंस, यानी समानांतर रेखाएं कहलाती हैं. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आप ले सकते हो आपका स्केल. यू हैव द स्केल ना, ये स्केल है ना हमारे पास. देखिए, स्केल दो लाइंस है ना. स्केल का फर्स्ट ऊपर वाला लाइन एंड नीचे सेकंड वाला लाइन, ये कहीं पे एक दूसरे को इंटरसेक्ट कर रहे हैं, काट रहे हैं? नो ना. तो स्केल इज द इजीएस्ट एग्जाम्पल ऑफ पैरेलल लाइंस. ओके, and as you see your blackboard, है ना, classroom blackboard, it have also made up by parallel lines. How? देखिए, up down two lines and left right two lines, they are not intersect and meet at any point. Okay, the one more example of parallel line is railway crossings. देखा? शिवम शर्मा, be concentrate in your book. Okay, railway crossing is also the one more example of parallel lines. We said as the railway lines. So railway lines में देखिए, one parallel line is here, one parallel line is here, and they do not intersect and meet at any point. Okay, yeah. Have two lines in three-dimensional space which do not meet must be in a common plane to be considered parallel. What they say? In my words, I say explain you. Have two lines in three-dimensional space which do not meet must be in a common plane. So they are also called the parallel lines. ठीक है? Parallel planes are planes in the same three-dimensional space that never meet. As the parallel lines, they are the parallel planes also which do not meet and intersect each other. Okay? So read these. However, there are examples of lines which, when produced indefinitely in either direction, do not meet. Such lines are known as parallel line. So please mark the definition of parallel lines. सिंपल अपने वर्ड्स में आप लोग लिखना चाहते हैं तो लिख सकते हैं, the lines in a plane which do not meet or intersect are called parallel lines. Okay? And one more definition is, two straight lines in a plane that do not intersect at any point are said to be a parallel line. For example, scale, blackboard and railway lines. Okay? I hope you all understand what is the parallel lines. So, now we end up our class. Okay?